Built 2018 Stylish Lakefront, designer details. Asking price offers fully furnished inside and out, quick close available, boat included. Just unpack. Level lot, sunset views. See walk-through tour. Open floor plan. Porcelain wood washed flooring main level. Live room open to gourmet kitchen center island, granite counters, stainless appliances and wine fridge, designer hood and custom backsplash. Dine Fam room west/gas fireplace. 25K floating wood/metal staircase. Second floor hardwood. Master west/private deck, spa bath, heated floors. Custom siding, exterior lighting, wolf Trex deck, vinyl custom railings. 50 feet Trex dock west/electric. Trex deck, plush lawn, sprinkler systems, custom planters, fenced yard and gutter helmet guards. Wired house generator, entire house is LED. Surround sound and cameras. High efficient heat/cool.